Hi everyone, I am Praveen Kumar. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain about how to convert a decimal into rational and how to convert a rational into decimal. How to convert a rational into decimal. Here, if you are having a rational number like this, 15 by 4. This 15 by 4 is a rational number. What is rational number means? The number which can be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are called integers and Q not equal to 0 is called rational number, and this is a rational number. This rational number you have to convert into decimal number. Convert a rational number into decimal form, we are having two methods. In that first method is general division method. Now let us go for the first method. 15 by 4. How to divide this 15 by 4? In general division method, numerator will be written in the place of dividend and this 4 denominator will be written in the place of divisor. Divide it. 4 3s are 12. After subtracting, you will get 3. Here 3 you will not get in 4 table. So what we will do? We will keep a point. After keeping a point, you will get here 0. 4 7s are 28. 30 minus 28 is 2. Here point I kept, so I can take here 0 again. 4 5s are 20 and you got a remainder 0. What is this? 15 by 4 is equal to 3.75. This 3.75 is a terminating decimal. Why? Because it is having end. Which decimal is having a end is called terminating decimal. By this way, we can convert a rational into decimal. Now, we will go to the another method. The same problem we will solve in the another method. Here, this 15 by 4 can be solved in another method by taking the prime factors of the denominators. Here, what is there here? 4. Take the prime factors for 4. 4 prime factors is 2 table. 2 is a prime number. 2 2s are 4. Again you take 2. 1s are 2 1s are 2. These 4 I can write it as 2 into 2. I can write it as 2 square. 2 square I can write. Means 15 by 2 square. I got here. So, whenever you are having the base, this we will call it as a base and this 2 is called as a power. Whenever you are having a base 2 or 5, we can do this method or else we cannot do. If you are having a 2 or 5 on the base, only this method is applicable. This method is not applicable to all the problems. Here, if you are having 2 on the base, multiply with 5 and whatever you are having here, 2 square is there. So, you write here square only. Here if base is 2, write down here 5. If you are having 5 here, 5 square if you are having, you have to do here 2 square. Here whatever the denominator you are having here 5 square, write down that one in the numerator. Numerator into numerator. 15 into 5 square by 2 square into 5 square. That implies 15 you will have like that only. What is 5 square? 5 5s is 25. Here I will use a formula here. What is 2 square into 5 square? A power m into b power m. is equal to AB whole power M formula I will use here. A is 2, B is 5. Here whenever powers are equal in the multiplication, we will multiply the bases. So I will get here 5 into 2 whole square. Powers are equal, I multiplied the bases. You multiply these both. 25 15s 375 by what I got, 5 2s are 10 square. 375 by 10 square. What is 10 square is called as? 10 tens are 100. If you are having 2 zeros in the denominator, we will keep 2 numbers before we will keep a point. Means that implies what is the answer here? 375 is there. In the denominator you are having 2 zeros, means 100. Here 2 numbers before you keep a point. What is the answer I got here? 3.75. In the last problem also I got 3.75. In this way we will solve the rational into decimal form. Converting terminating decimal into P by Q form. How to convert a terminating decimal into P by Q form we will learn here. Here terminating decimal means a decimal system which is having end is called terminating decimal. Here if you are having a number like this 23.456, if they given like this 23.456 they given, and they are asking to convert this terminating decimal into P by Q form. They will ask like this, convert 23.456 into P by Q form. At that time what we will do means, here this is a given question, given 23.456. If nothing is there in the denominator, we will take it as a 1. If you are having like this, at that time we have to multiply the total fraction here 23.456 by 1 with how many decimal numbers are there here? 1, 2, 3. If you are having 3 numbers after decimal, multiply and divide the number with 1000. If you are having 1 number, multiply and divide with 10. If you are having 2 numbers, multiply and divide with 100. If you are having 3 numbers, multiply and divide with 1000. If you are having 4 numbers, multiply and divide with 10,000. Like that we have to multiply. Here count here. How many numbers are there here? After decimal? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are there after decimal. So multiply and divide the number with 1000. Here why I am doing multiplying and dividing with 1000 means here point of the 3 decimals are there. If 2 are there, 100 by 100. If 1 is there, 10 by 10, like that. Here after this, multiply numerator into numerator. What do you will get here? 23.456 into 1000, 1 into 1000. You got here. Here remember, whenever you are having into in between, here 1000 is there, 1000, 10, 100 you will have like that. Here whenever you are having 10, this point will move 1 number before. If you are having 100, 2 numbers before it will come, means right side. If you are having into, the point will get right side. If you are having division, the point will get left side. Here into is there, means the point will go towards right side. Here how many digits it will go right side? Means how many number of zeros are there, that many of digits it will move towards right side. Means this point will move 3 numbers right side. That means here 2, 3. Here this point will go 3 numbers after. Here means 4, 5, 6 after you will get a point. If you are not having any number After point, here you are not having any number after point. So you will take it as 0. You will take it as 0. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0.0. If you are having 0.0, you cannot be considered that one. Why? Because if you are having 1.0 or 1, both are same. 1.0 is there. That is a natural number only. 1. If you are having 2.0, I can take it as 2. 5.0 is 5 only. In the same way, 23,456.0 is there. What we will take? 23,456. 1 into 1000 is 1000. Now you cancel both the terms. If it get cancelled, do the cancellation. If it is not getting cancelled, the given whatever answer we got itself is a P by Q form. Here the both will get cancelled. Here 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Here 1 is borrowed, 14, 2 sevens are 14, 2s are 8s are. Here 2 5s are, 2 zeros are, 2 zeros are. Again both will get cancelled in 2 table. 2 5s are, 1 7 17 will be 8 times, 2 8s are, 12 here, 12 is 6 times. Here you will get 4 and here you will get 2 5, 2 2s are 4, here 1 you will get, 2 5s are 10 and again you will get 0. Again both will be cancelled in 2 table. What you will get here? 2 2s are, 2 9s are, 2 3s are, 2 2s are. Again you will get here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are, 2 5s are. And the final answer is 2932 by 125 is a P by Q form. In this way, we will solve terminating decimal into P by Q form. I will give you one more example within a short time. Here if you are having 2.3 by 1, 2.3 is a terminating decimal. How to convert this one? Point after one number is there. Multiply and divide by 10. Here 2.3 into 10. 2.3 into 10 by 1 into 10. 1 into 10. Look at here, you are having a multiplication. Here point is there. This point, how many zeros are there? Only 1 0 is there. This point will come here. Means it will become 23.0 by 1 tens are 10. 23.0, remove this 0.0. 23 by 10 is a P by Q form.
If you like this video, share, like, subscribe to my channel.